was attached
No,
to.
no, I understand that.
In the dark, we stand apart. We never see
Yeah, I mean, it's
that the
bleeding
things we
already.
need are staring right at us. You just wanna hide, never show your smile. Stand alone when you need someone. It's the hardest thing of all that you see. Are the bad memories. Take your time and you'll find me.
Try to, yeah, but then we lose maybe the leverage to actually grab it.
I see your pain. Tell me your problem.
Oh, poor baby. I'm sorry.
I see your
Careful, Mecto. Oh, Mecto, don't. No. No say, no. One of the swaps, the sterile swaps, would you like put them into the iodine and then we're just gonna try to clean it? So this is the reason why we do not need plastic straws.
How can I so funny?
Just bleeding from my shoulders. Looks like you're gonna be Yeah, the thing is, I mean, I would just wonder how she can breathe properly without inside them. He said, yeah, I don't know.
Move it to the sides.
He said, yeah, like to kind of move it to the side instead of the front. Yeah.
Yeah, like that.
Oh man, I'm too. Could Veronica, could you do me another favor and try to, like, in the yellow box is the bags with all the batteries? Oh man. And there's like one for the Olympus camera, like the bigger ones, one of those bigger ones that's in there. Just keep it already in your hand because my battery is going to die soon, I think.
Se escucha trancada también.
Ah, but you have it already if you... Oh man. You have a little bit filled out already.
Hacerlo hay que hacerlo sin lástima eso.
No, ese es tampoco. Vamos a ver ahora. Oh man. Show me please. I want to.